We are going to go into the MeSH database and look for opioids. We have two options here, the traditional subject heading, analgesics, opioid. We can add this to the search builder and search PubMed. We see with this subject heading we have 49,000 possible results that are tagged. Now let's go back to the MeSH database, again with opioid, but this time look at the pharmacological action category. This will get us all of the drugs that act with this pharmacological action. We're going to add it to the search builder and search PubMed. Now you can see we have 123,000 possible results of articles that were tagged that have opioids acting in this pharmacological action. So now let's go back to the MeSH database once again, and we're going to check both the items and then switch our AND to an OR in order to add them to our search builder. Searching PubMed, we see that we have a total possible results of 123,417 items. We're going to add our sickle cell topic, but first I have to make sure that I have parentheses placed around the OR. Remember, any items that are ORed together need to be nested within parentheses. So from 123,000 down to 377. Now let's add a context to this. We only want this in emergency settings. So I've added just a simple keyword of emergency, which brings us down to 111 results. Now let's take a look at our result list as we remove some of these items. So I'm going to take out the subject heading and leave in the pharmacological action. So we have 111 results, but I take a look and I can see my top 3 results. And now let's see what happens when I hit search. I still have 111 results, but notice those items for the best match have changed. And my third item is a different article.